everyone, Sheila back again. Welcome to my channel. It is Thursday afternoon. It's just after 4 o'clock. I'll be going to sort some tea out for myself after this video because it's my bingo night tonight, and I usually have my tea a little bit early on the Thursday so I can get ready for going out. And I'm doing a little bit knitting. It's the first knitting I've done for a couple of days. Get back to my little cardigans because I have been busy doing quite a bit of crochet actually. I'll put this down, I'll show you I made two little children's bags, or for whatever you want them for, like just small project thing for just to carry little things around. So that's one with that's got like oranges, blues, cream, green, mustard, all colours like that mixed in with it. And that one, all colours in that one there are dark blue, red, orange, yellow, green. Not sure what other colours. A lot of colours, the same thing. Little. I'm not sure what these. I might try and put these up on my eBay shop and put the price up for what I would normally get if it was on Etsy, or take the fees off, and that'll help anyone having to put on the buyer protection thing. I'm not sure yet. I'm going to have a look and see whether, because the last time I tried to put something up on there, they have what they call a simple delivery, and that simple delivery is downloading their labels with the tracking on, and you pay for them instead of going and paying to the post office. And I don't know what you're supposed to do with them, whether you just take them to the post office or what. But I tried to put something up a little while ago, and I couldn't get it just to take Royal Mail second class, what I normally do. But I'm going to have a go with these, and that I might try to sort some things out. That's what I'm going to try and do. I'm going to try and put one or two things up on eBay, and from my normal price, like my patterns, I normally charge £2. I used to charge £2.50 on eBay before they added all the buyer protection. But before they knocked the fees off, they used to charge me, I used to get £1.88 when I charged £2.50, and then they knocked the fees off, so I got £2.50. So I'll work out what I normally get from the other places, usually about £2 if I put them on Etsy, because I have them up for £2.65 on Etsy, and I get £2 off Etsy. And I have them up for £2.50 on Ko-fi, and Ko-fi only takes 5% off, but PayPal, they pay me through PayPal, and PayPal takes a fee as well, so I still get about £2 from them. So I'm going to try and work some things out and see if I can get rid of that simple, what they call simple delivery. It's just a way of them to buy the postage label things off them. That's all it is. So anyway, these, I normally charge about £9 for one of these little bags, so I'll sort that out. And I also finished this green blanket. It measures 20, I've wrote it down in my book. I measured it, and it measures 33 inches by 28 inches. And this one is spoken for. This one is for Rosemary, and you can see it's quite a good size. They are nearly 600 grams. It took nearly 6 balls of the thing to do this, and I do have enough of this left to do another 2 blankets, but when I put this on, it covers my feet and comes right up here. That's how far it comes up on when it covers my feet completely, not just down to my ankles. I've got it right over my feet. And Rosemary sent a message and asked me for this. And then another lady, Pat, she telephoned me, because she telephones me if she wants anything. She asked for it as well, but I had to tell her she was a little bit too late that Rosemary's bought it. But I did tell her I have plenty more wool, so I have another one to do for Pat, which I'll probably be starting off tomorrow and doing a few rows every day, because neither Rosemary nor Pat are in a hurry for them, because they want them for, one's wanted for Christmas and other one's just wanted to put over your knee in the winter, which it'll be nice this, because it's very warm this, because it's quite thick. Even though it's crocheted, there's not loads of holes. I don't like the crochet where you do the like the granny square ones with the holes all over, because I have a one like that. Well, I'm sitting on a one like that as well, and they're not as warm as the ones I've knitted, because I've knitted blankets as well. But when you knit them and they don't have great big holes in like they do on the granny square blanket ones, and this is that so thick, the holes are sort of built up, you know, they're built up, you don't see the holes, you don't feel the holes in, it's really warm. So that one's going to Rosemary anyway. I'll probably be posting it off tomorrow sometime. And like I say, it's my bingo tonight. I'll take that off because it is quite a bit warmer today. It is warmer, but the weather is terrible. And this one I crocheted this. I even went all around the edges, the whole edge of it as well, with the just a double crochet all around the edges, just to neaten the edges, because as while I'm pretty good at keeping my edges straight when I do them, they were still sort of like, you know, like wavy, which wasn't actually wavy stitch, it was just the way they came out. So I thought it'd be better to do a double crochet all the way around the edge, and it makes it look a bit neater. So anyway, I'll put that away for put them on there, and I'll probably be doing some more of those little bags and maybe some bigger ones as well, because I've got a lot of that sort of wool like that, and doing them sort of things I get wool use up a lot quicker, because I seem to go through a lot more wool when I'm crocheting than when I'm knitting, because knitting is a lot slower than what crochet is, but you know, that's the way things are. You've got to put up with it, haven't you? But anyway, I'll be going down and get myself some tea later, and then I'll be off to bingo tonight to pick my friend Molly up, and then, well, I'll pick my friend Anne up first, and then I'll go up the road all the way practically to the bingo, and then go back down another road to pick Molly up, and then we'll be at the bingo. But I'm going to take this knitting, some knitting like this with me, because my friend, she usually likes to play a word game on my phone, but the last few weeks, if I haven't had any knitting or crochet or anything with me, you know, I've opened up the phone, because I'm not really bothered about it. I was sick of it. I think she's getting sick of it as well, so I'm definitely taking some knitting or some crochet with me, because if she's getting sick of it, I don't need to worry about her going in the huff, because I want to sit and knit and not play on the word game. So that's just a little bit, keep you up to date. And this is, I already have the back done for this. This is one of the fronts, which I said in another video I was going to finish this one completely before I go on to the other 1, 2, 3, 4, the other 4 little cardigans that I'm doing. I'm going to finish this one off completely, and then I can sort the pattern out for this one. And then I get the other ones, so I can go through my book and see what other ones. I've got loads of patterns in my book that I've started doing 1 or 2 sizes, and I need to go through them all to check to find out which ones I can get the patterns out quicker, depending on how many sizes I'm actually going to knit on the but a lot of people have been asking me if I'm going to do a pattern for the little sweaters I did with the little placket front, the opening front on and the little collar on. So I'll have to sort that out because I don't have much to do with that one, because the back and the sleeves are all off my 3x1 mock rib. I just have to sort the, that is a pattern I have out. So I just need to copy down the back and the sleeves from that and then work out the fronts, what I have to do on the front and like the little collars on it, and will not be much to that. So, and I think I've already knitted 3 sizes. I've knitted an 8, a 16. I think I've knitted a 16, an 18 and a 20. I think, yeah. I'll have to check it and see, and then all I need to do is a 22 and a 24, and all I need to do really is just knit the fronts and then work out the collars and that, and then I can work out the rest of the thing later. That's just for the pattern. So that's my little bit for now. I'm going to go down and sort myself some tea out and sort out what I'm going to wear tonight, because I have to sort some clothes out for myself as well, because I do like to look decent when I go out. So thumbs up and subscribe. I'll catch you all another time. So bye for now.